Arbitrum is a second-layer network on Ethereum. Forget about high transaction fees. Here, they are insignificant. You can make hundreds of trades in a day, and it will cost you just a couple of bucks for the entire day. On Ethereum and Uniswap, you would spend thousands of dollars in fees if you traded as intensively as I do on Arbitrum. Here, you have the same decentralized exchanges as on Ethereum. And yes, Arbitrum's blockchain is full of liquidity. And it's growing. It is one of the fastest growing blockchains. But not all of us love trading, and the returns on investments can take a long time. For the impatient ones who want to make money right now, not tomorrow, let me tell you about the mempool InvaderBot. It's a unique cryptocurrency bot with a neural network on board. Its main purpose is to make money for you. That's its essence and goal. How does it do that? As an example, let's say a large whale trader comes to a DEX and buys a significant amount of a cryptocurrency token. You know how liquidity pools work on decentralized exchanges, right? As soon as that transaction hits the blockchain, the token's price changes. The larger the transaction amount, the stronger the price change. But here's the thing. Before the transaction enters the blockchain, it first goes into the mempool of the blockchain. And that's where the magic happens. The InvaderBot finds such a transaction and copies it. It buys the same token but with a higher transaction fee, allowing its transaction to enter the blockchain before the whale trader's transaction. Bingo! As soon as the token price changes, the bot automatically sells all the tokens and earns a profit ranging from 1% to 10% per transaction, in just a minute. Of course, large whales don't make transactions every minute, but throughout the day, the InvaderBot will undoubtedly intercept several such large transactions. It's all legal and risk-free, thanks to the analysis of data in the mempool and the actions of a specially trained neural network. Human is incapable of analyzing such volumes of data and making transactions that quickly. Artificial intelligence solves it. How much can you earn with the bot? Infinitely much. The bot utilizes the initial capital, and the higher it is, the faster and greater the profit InvaderBot will earn for you. But you can start with small amounts too. You can launch the bot with a wallet balance slightly above $10. From that, it's entirely realistic to make $20-30 in a day, and if you're lucky, even more. On larger amounts, the percentage of profit is lower since it depends on the liquidity of the pools. If you can turn $10 into $100 with the help of the InvaderBot in just a couple of days, it might take more time to turn $1,000 into $10,000. But it might still be achievable within a month. And here's a little life hack. The bot is paid, but you can test it completely free for 12 hours. Within that time, you can easily cover the cost of the license and start making a profit. Wishing everyone great profits. Link to the bot below the video.